Hey traders, and welcome to the trading channel. Today we're going to be discussing another big trade in the EAP program. And when I say big trade in the EAP, what I mean is a big trade based on the email analysis that I send out to clients that looks something like this. Here's an example of that email analysis. So the members of the EAP Training Program receive analysis like this 3 to 5 times a week of trades that I plan to take, complete with an entry, stop, and target to give them an idea of what I'm looking at in the market. So today, we're going to be discussing the analysis that went into this pound Swiss trade, which you just saw email analysis on a second ago. We'll read through that email analysis a little more. We'll discuss the technical analysis that went into this trade. And I'm also going to show you guys an email from a client who managed to catch some pretty good profits out of this trade. So if all that sounds interesting to you, then make sure to keep it locked through the intro and disclaimer. If you're brand new to the trading channel here, then make sure you click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of your screen, or the little red box beside my picture to your bottom left. And make sure you click that little bell to be notified when I come out with new free educational content here on the trading channel about Forex. So make sure to do that while the intro and disclaimer roll, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Alright guys, so here we are back on the pound Swiss chart, and the first thing I'm going to do is actually head over to that email analysis that I sent out on 5/24 to all clients in the EAP program, and we're going to read through that together. So here you can see that I have an illustration of the trade that I planned on taking. Here, if you'll read along with me, the email analysis says, "Good morning traders." There are a couple of different trades that we are going to take a look at this morning based on the EAP rules. First off, we have the pound Swiss in the illustration above. This pair is put in 2 separate EAP entries, and this is the kind of email analysis I send out to EAP Training Program members, guys. They receive something like this 3 to 5 times a week, where I'm discussing trading opportunities based on the strategies that you learn in the EAP program. And this email analysis comes complete with my entry, stop, and at least my target number 1, just to give traders a better idea of what I'm looking at and how I use the strategies that I teach in the EAP program in order to benefit in the Forex market. So now let's head over to an email that I received from one of my clients earlier today that managed to take advantage of this trading idea. Here you can see we have an EAP member named Kyle, and if you'll read along with his email here, it says, "Hey Steven, I just wanted to let you know how much I appreciate the pound Swiss trading idea." That's the idea we were just checking out on email analysis. "I'm currently up 180 pips or $500 in my account, and this is the first time I've ever made over 100 pips. I can't thank you enough, and I look forward to benefiting more from email analysis and training." And I absolutely love hearing that my clients are benefiting from the training they receive over at the EAP program. It really is amazing to be able to help people achieve success in something they've worked so hard for, like Forex trading. When you've tried this for years and years and you're yet to be profitable, and then you run into something that can actually make a difference in your trading. I'm just very thankful and appreciative to be in a position to be able to help people learn how to do this. So let's head back over to the pound Swiss chart and take a look at some of the technical analysis that went into this trade. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and delete everything on the chart. So we're starting with a blank slate, and I can talk you guys through my reasons for wanting to get involved in this trade. As you can see, this market had been on a small uptrend here on our 4-hour chart, making new highs, new lows, new high, new low, new high. Now, if we draw our horizontal line back in, you can see where I entered the trade was actually right here. So what do you guys think made me want to get involved in this specific trade? Do you see anything that would lead me to believe that the pound Swiss could go even lower? Well, hopefully you're able to see that this is our most previous swing low, our most previous level of structure support, and the market broke through that level and then began to consolidate. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see how this market wasn't an uptrend, and then this is a reversal sign? When the market breaks through its previous support, that can mean at times that it wants to continue going lower. So with that as an expectation, I began waiting for an entry reason, and the market actually broke through another structure level before giving me any kind of entry reason. Here is another support level that was broken. As you can see, this was broken and closed below by these candles here. So that's the second level of structure support that has now been broken. And this is just some really simple structure-based analysis, guys. Once those 2 structure levels have been broken, I'm again continuing to look for a reason to go short on this market because of what I've just saw. I just saw a market that was previously in an uptrend break below 2 different levels of structure support, here and here. Because of that, again, looking for a reason to go short, waiting for the market to pull back into this previous level of structure support, and then waiting for an entry reason on a lower time frame, which is exactly what we did. So that's how powerful it can be to just know how to read some simple structure, just how to spot reversals in the market by waiting for structure support to be broken after an uptrend or structure resistance to be broken after a downtrend, and then applying a simple entry technique after doing that analysis. So let's go ahead and set up a position tool and see what the risk reward looks like on this specific trade. Our stop loss was sitting just above the swing high, and currently on the second part of our position, we're looking at over a 3.4 risk reward on this trade. And guys, this is a trade again that I sent out before it even happened. And guys, if you want to learn the exact entry reason and the exact analysis and strategy that went into creating this trade, and if you're struggling in your trading and you think that the email analysis you saw would help you to better understand how to read structure and how to apply a profitable strategy to your Forex trading, and would help you along your journey to becoming a successful trader, then I'm offering a special discount on the EAP Training Program, and you can find links for that program in the description below this video or by clicking the card in the top right hand corner of your screen. And guys, trading does not have to be quite as difficult as we all normally make it. With the right training, strategies, and discipline, we can really make it quite a simple process. So in the EAP, I've tried to break down step by step exactly what it takes to turn your trading into a simple, organized journey to success. I hope you guys found value in this video. If you did, then go ahead and please click that like button for me. If you're new and you enjoyed this content, then make sure you click that subscribe button and click the little bell to be alerted whenever I come out with new free educational content about Forex trading. Again, if you're interested in that promotional offer on the EAP Training Program, then you can take advantage of that either by clicking the link in the description or the little card in the top right hand corner of your screen. I wish you guys the best of luck in all of your future trades, and I'll talk to you guys next time.
Like me, it drifts away. I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare.